China's already seen 9 typhoons so far in 2019, but according to news agency Xinhua, Typhoon Lekima is the strongest in years. In Hangzhou city, Zhejiang province, rivers became raging, destructive torrents. Rescuers in Jinyang County made high-risk efforts to save people from being swept away. One was nearly swept away too. A million people have been moved from their homes. The storm is weakening after making landfall, but it's now headed for Shanghai, China's biggest city. Devastating weather has lashed other parts of Asia too. This is Karachi in Pakistan. Some people directed their anger at the government.
We're trapped because of the rainwater that collected outside. It's even entered our homes. The authorities aren't bothered. At election time, they come to our doorstep asking for a vote, but now they're nowhere to be found.
We haven't had any electricity in the last 48 hours. Rainwater has collected, and in some areas it's too much. We can't cook. The government doesn't care if people suffer or die.
Among the dead in the monsoon rains were 7 who were electrocuted and 3 killed by a roof collapse. There were dozens of deaths in the Indian states of Kerala and Karnataka as well. People could only watch as houses were destroyed by the water. Along with the many people pulled alive from the floods were those it was too late to save. The tens of thousands moved to relief camps can only wait before it's safe to return and find out what's left of their homes. Rory, Challands, Al Jazeera.